I get asked all the time, how do my travels for the show influence my cooking at home and my professional cooking life? And the answer is an emphatic always. And our Lewis and Clark journey is no exception. Salmon is king there, and Salmon King is the name of Bridget McConville's shop, and she is lovingly referred to as the Salmon Queen. And in the month since I've gotten back from the Portland trip, I've probably made this dish about 15 times. It's absolutely remarkable and a great way to use parts of the salmon that don't belong on the grill or in the oven. So the first thing we have to do is break down our fish. I'm gonna remove the head, including the meat from what I refer to as the shoulder, the wing, and the collar. You can break down the salmon yourself and use collars, belly meat, and tail for this soup, or ask your local fishmonger for these parts. The other option is just to use salmon fillet. I'm gonna cut the tail into little 1-inch chunks. And so now I have my 2 collars, I have a little bit of belly, and I have a little bit of tail, and we're ready to make our soup. Now I have 3 cups of chicken stock almost at a boil, and I'm going to add my brown sugar. I'm gonna add my lemongrass, very thinly minced. I'm gonna add my KAFFIR lime leaf, crush a few sets of those up, some of this fermented chili paste, and put that in. Then I wanna add my galangal. Now galangal is a rhizome, like ginger. If you can't find the galangal, use a couple slices of ginger, but if you find galangal, please use it. And now I'm gonna add my coconut milk, and I'm gonna simmer it for 4 or 5 minutes. Cut and separate the collars from that top piece of the shoulder. Gives me 4 beautiful portions. I'm going to add our mushrooms, and I'm gonna let that simmer for 2-3 minutes, right? Because they're bigger pieces. Let's put in our fresh salmon. That's just gonna take 60 seconds to cook. Lime juice. We're gonna add our fish sauce. The better the quality of your fish sauce, the better this soup will taste. And then I do wanna add a little heat. So these are fresh Thai chilies. Slice the chilies open. It's gonna release all of that chili flavor into the soup. And then the very last thing that I'm going to do is garnish with some cilantro. And there is some gorgeous Thai coconut soup with salmon. But let's see if I hit the nail on the head. Wow. Thank you, Bridget, for inspiring this incredible dish.